Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates and the total complete in-depth details about Genus. Friends, Genus having two companies. One is Genus Power Infra Limited and another one is Genus Innovation Limited. Under this, one is listed entity and another one is non-listed company. First one, we are going to see the listed company. So friends, the listed company Genus Power Infra Limited, which we are seeing now, the company having a good portfolio of utility sector products. And friends, majorly it is having smart meter manufacturing and providing smart meters across different verticals. So friends, we are already seeing smart meter business is growing and we can expect up to 3 years from here. So presently there are few more players also in this sector like Schneider Electrics and HPL. Already I done a video on HPL also in the, but why I am Genus Power picking means Genus Power having a good amount of business in this sector, and this company also taking IoT help with partnership on Vodafone Idea to provide IoT low band IoT based smart meters. So Indians Indian also planning to increase this type of innovations. And next thing is already EESL planning to increase India's smart meter business. Why? Because already traditional way of smart meters are replacing with normal meters replacing with smart meters. That means by 2025 they want to prepare 100% pre-paid metering. That means we have to pay money before and utilize that power like mobile phones. So for that what they need means they have to need smart meters. So this is the best company in smart meters business we can invest. And Reliance Jio also partnered with Tata Motor, and these two companies partnered with some other company to take smart meters, IoT based smart meters for their Delhi Delhi distribution, Tata Power Delhi distribution. So I am expecting friends, this is a good opportunity to invest like Genus Power and HPL Power. Both companies will work out. Why? Because Schneider is a very big company and it will take some time. Why? Because it has so many products and so much of business. But this company will have good good portfolio of utility products and small companies. So the growth expects more in my view. And why we go for smart metering means by using smart meters we also reduce discounts, aggregate technical and commercial losses, and eliminating the gaps between per unit average cost of supply and the average revenue realization. So these are the things which government moving to smart meters. And next thing is already it having design technology and manufacturing and provided 70 plus million energy smart meters installed. And friends, if you see here, it has utilities and municipalities and a renewable smart city planner, consumer residential and industrial smart meters, housing communities, malls, telecom tower smart meters, communication solutions provides, and energy auditors labs. Friends, not only this, in my view, coming days water smart meters and gas smart meters also coming. So we can expect those two smart meter business and also will come to these type of companies. If they announce that Genus is going to start a smart water business, smart water meters or gas meters, then look, the share value will increase. So like this, I am thinking that the company having a good revenue and having good portfolio of products, and again what we have to see is the company's consistent revenue. So see here, metering, engineering and contracts, hybrid micro circuit boards. So in these applications, in this metering, energy, smart meter, gas, see here already it is providing for gas. So we see going forward the demand for gas meters also will increase. And what I am telling is it having another company which is Genus Innovations, where it manufactures inverters, batteries, solar panels and related to solar, everything that Genus Innovations company manufacturing. And friends, we are going to see a good thing is the company share value is now consolidating. So we can pick the share at 44 rupees is the best value, I think, friends. In recent correction it came up to 45.40. It is having support at 43.35 and next support is 38.35. so it's a difference of 5 rupees. You can enter at 43. I am thinking stop loss as 38.35 and targets are 100% returns. Why? Because smart meter business is that much important going forward for roof solar roof solar. So this is what I want to mention about this company, and it has a revenue which is not came to pre-COVID levels, but still the company is performing very good quarterly results. Why? Because previous last year average it's 250 260 friends. Average it is posting March 2019 305 crores and 279 crores, 278 crores, 272, 251 crores. Now what happened in June? It posted nearly 100 crores, but September 166, but December 187. Then we think it's a positive sign. Moving every quarter it is posting increases, its net profits increases 9 crores, 23 crores, 38 crores. So I am thinking that it's a good chance to enter at 43 rupees. You can see it's a near time high like 58 also. It's a very good decisions, right? So friends, this is my view on Genus Power Infra Limited. In smart meter business we picked two stocks. LED bulb also manufactured by HPL. So Genus Power and HPL Power. So friends, Genus Innovations manufacturing battery also. So that Genus Power also this company share having in that also very good. So if that company increases, the share value of this company also increases. So friends, this is my view on Genus Power Infra. So if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel.